This is the second video on Lembeh Strait.
A large school of catfish, about 3 or 4 inches long. They also are poisonous if they happen to bite you. Another nudibranch or sea slug. This plant-like structure is actually animal, tiny little microscopic animals that the nudibranch is feeding on. And another colorful nudibranch. They come in thousands of different shapes and brilliant colors. It's hard to imagine that nature produces living animals that have these weird color combinations. The mouth of the animal is on the top right.
The pink cone-shaped structure on the left is probably the invertebrate that the nudibranch has been eating.
Another type of nudibranch, ceratosoma. The purple stuff on the sponge are its eggs. Another related species. The gills are this feathery flower-like thing in the middle of its back, and the two little horns on the top right are the smelling organs. Again, it has no eyes. This is soft coral, and in the center is a small goby. These are Bangka cardinal fish. They look like a pretty aquarium fish. They're not native to this particular area, but they do come from Indonesia. And the middle left is a knobby structure. That's actually a tiny seahorse. You can see it here in the middle center. This is a tomato clownfish, another species of anemone fish. Only this one is red, and the anemone that it inhabits is also red. It dances in amongst the tentacles, trying to lure other unsuspecting fish into these poisonous tentacles. So it's a commensal relationship with the anemone. Another beautiful nudibranch. Again, on the top left are the gills, or the branchial structure. This is how it breathes, so to speak, and where it gets its name, naked gills. The lower right are its rhinophores or smelling organs. This is another nudibranch. Sorry about the bad focus. Unknown species. This is a tiny octopus called a blue ring octopus. It's only about 1.5 inches high. It flashes these blue rings. It's not doing it right here. Highly deadly if it bites you.
This funny inch-long fish is a juvenile sweetlips.
Another type of nudibranch. On the left you see the rhinophores.
Two species of Crobodorus nudibranchs.
About 1.5 inches long. Stylaster coral. Detail of another species of giant anemone. And these are various species of sea squirts. The powder blue ones you'll see contract in a minute. There we go. Sea squirts are related to humans in that they have a notochord or primitive spinal column, which makes them a higher life form than other forms of nudibranchs, a different species of sea squirt or tunicate.
Coral reefs at Bangka Island, North Sulawesi, Indonesia. This massive coral head is about 80 feet tall. A school of blue-striped grunt. Three teardrop butterfly fish. Passing over a colony of leather coal. If you look closely, you can see the waving polyps. A crinoid in the lower right, gold soft coral, and a sea fan. Sponges in the top right, and the green Tubastria hard coral. A pair of meandering Moorish idols. A 3-inch long Hypsilodorus bolokai, a nudibranch. This is a pinnate batfish, about 8 inches tall. Purple male coral fish watching over his harem in the background.